So everyone keeps asking, how do I get into AI? But to be honest, that's the wrong question. The real question should be, which AI job family should you enter and how do you prepare for that exact role? Because in 2026, AI is no longer a single career. It's an entire ecosystem. Today I'm going to show you the real career map of AI, the one that recruiters actually use. But before that, let us first talk about why most people fail. Most people fail because they follow the same broken advice. Learn Python, build a model, take a course and apply everywhere. And then they wonder why nobody replies to their job application. The bottom line is, companies don't hire people who know AI. They hire people who solve problems with AI. In 2026, AI has split into multiple job families. Each one needs a different preparation strategy. If you prepare for the wrong track, you waste years. So today I am going to walk you through the 5 real AI career paths and exactly how to break into each one. AI engineer or AI developer track. This job family includes roles like AI engineer, LLM engineers, applied ML engineer, AI system engineers, and agent engineers. So the old path says learn Python, build models, and apply for jobs. But according to new 2026 path, build AI-powered systems and not just models. Companies no longer hire people to train models. They hire people to ship AI products. And what companies actually want in 2026? They want engineers who can build AI agents, multimodal pipelines, retrieval systems, automation workflows, monitoring systems, and decision engines. You are not just an ML scientist, you are an AI product builder. So how to prepare for this job family? If you want to enter into this track, here are the skills that you must build. And actually there are 2 types of skills. One, core engineering stack, in which you should learn Python, APIs and backend like Fast API, Node, databases like Postgres, VectorDBs, clouds like AWS, GCP, and very important, Docker. And other types of skills are AI stack, which is 2026 reality. LLM APIs, like OpenAI, Anthropic, or any other open source APIs, RAG pipelines, build AI agents using frameworks like AutoGen, Crew AI, LangGraph, tool calling, prompt chains, model evaluation, monitoring and logging. So what you should build as portfolio project. Here you need to build real AI products. Some of the project ideas are like AI research agent, which takes a topic such as internet, summarizes sources and generates report. Other project could be AI customer support bot, which reads internal docs, answers questions and escalates to humans. Some other could be AI workflow automation or AI decision systems, which evaluates inputs, applies business logic, generates recommendations. So what your portfolio should contain is not just code, but it should also include architecture diagrams, system design, cost analysis, evaluation strategy, failure modes, and user flows. So how to get hired for this job family? Build 2-3 serious AI products. Write technical blogs explaining architecture. Share demos on LinkedIn or GitHub. And you should apply to AI startups, AI product companies, or AI consulting firms. Now let us move on to AI job family 2, which is AI product manager track. Now let's talk about one of the fastest growing roles, and this is not a normal PM job. You are here designing how humans interact with intelligence. And this includes roles like AI product manager, AI program manager, AI platform PM, or AI strategy PM. Now old path says get a PM certification, but according to new 2026 path, become the human who knows how to build products with AI. Remember, AI PMs are not roadmap writers. They are AI translators between business, users, and engineers. Okay, so now what AI PMs really do? They actually decide where AI should or should not be used, which model to use, design AI use cases, define AI success metrics, decide model strategy, manage hallucination and risk, own AI ethics, balance cost versus performance. So they don't code models, they design AI-powered experiences. So what are the skills that you must build? Again, there are 2 types of skills. One is typical product skills, like user research, product requirements, roadmaps, metrics, and UX design basics. Now, second types of skills are AI literacy that you need to build in 2026. How LLMs work, RAG versus fine-tuning, evaluation metrics, prompting strategies, AI failure modes, model selection trade-offs. Your PM portfolio should include product requirement docs, AI system diagrams, UX flows, evaluation plans, business impact analysis. So how to prepare for these roles? Again, you don't need to code models, but you must understand how AI works. So you need to learn how LLMs reason, RAG versus fine-tuning, model trade-offs, evaluation metrics, AI failure patterns. So what to build in portfolio before applying? You need AI product case studies. As side projects, you can build AI resume screener, AI customer support system, AI hiring assistant, AI finance advisor. Again, these are just examples, but you got the idea. And for each such project, you have to write user problems, AI architecture, UX design, metrics, and risk analysis that is involved. So how to break into this job family? Path 1 is lateral move, which is the best according to me. If you are already a business analyst in your company, or you are working as a product ops, UX researcher, or a strategy analyst, then you can do a lateral move to AI PM. Figure out the opportunities which are there in your company and apply to them. Path 2 is get into these companies as associate AI PM. Apply into startups, AI SaaS companies, and consulting firms. So the bottom line is your portfolio should look like a startup pitch deck and not a coding repo. AI job family 3. AI strategy, AI business, or AI consulting track. And this is where the massive money is being spent. Every company wants AI, but most companies have no idea how to adopt AI. These job families serve as the AI business bridge. The roles that are included: AI consultant, AI strategy manager, AI transformation lead, AI operations, or AI adoption lead. Now the old path says learn AI and apply to consulting firm. But according to 2026 path, become the person who helps companies adopt AI. Because most companies do not know where to use AI, what models to use, what risks exist in adopting AI, and how to measure return on investment. And that is where you come in. What these folks do, they find AI use cases, they design AI adoption roadmaps, estimate ROIs, manage transformation, and handle change. So they are not technical people, they are strategic people. So skills that you need to get into these kind of roles are business analysis, process mapping, AI literacy, data understanding, change management, AI governance, risk and compliance. So how to prepare to get into these roles? First step is you need to learn process mapping, business analysis, AI capabilities, cost modeling, and change management. And you need to build these projects in your portfolio, which are basically creating AI transformation playbooks. For example, AI transformation for retail could include customer service automation, demand forecasting, inventory optimization, or fraud detection. And for each project, you need to build strategy documents, architecture path, cost model, risk assessment, industry-specific strategies, and adoption frameworks. See, again, you can build these projects at your home as your side project, and you can show them in your portfolio before applying. So where to apply for these kind of roles? Consulting firms. Wherever you find AI system integrators roles, apply for them. Apply into Big 4 enterprise AI teams. And for these job families, remember, this is where AI meets the leadership of your company. So you are the bridge between AI and the leadership of the company. AI job family 4. AI governance, AI risk, or AI ethics track. Trust me, this is the silent gold mine because AI regulations are exploding, lawsuits are rising, compliance is mandatory. Companies are scared of lawsuits, biases, data leaks, and compliance. And this is a massive career opportunity. Every bank, hospital, insurer, and government agencies need AI risk teams. This job family includes AI risk manager, AI auditor, AI compliance, AI governance lead, AI policy specialist. The old path says study AI ethics. 2026 path says become the guardian of the AI systems. So what these roles do actually? They audit AI systems, they monitor bias, validate models, enforce compliance, and design governance frameworks. And how do you prepare to get into these roles? For that, you have to learn the skills like AI fundamentals, risk frameworks, policy knowledge, compliance frameworks, data privacy, and model auditing. And build these projects to have in your portfolio, like AI audit framework, bias detection system, AI compliance checklist, model risk report. Finally, where to apply for these roles? Focus on banks, healthcare, insurance, government, and big tech. Because no matter what happens, how much ever advancement is there in AI, these roles will exist forever. AI job family 5. AI operations, AI infra, or AI platform track. Now this is where AI meets reality. Because AI systems break, they hallucinate, they drift, they fail, and you make them reliable. This job family includes roles like MLOps engineer, AI platform engineer, AI reliability engineer, or AI infrastructure engineer. Now the old path says learn DevOps, but 2026 path says become the person who keeps AI alive in production. So what they do? They deploy models, they monitor performance, they optimize cost, they scale infrastructure, and prevent downtime. Now how to prepare for these roles? You have to learn cloud, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, model deployment, and monitoring. So you need to work on your side projects where you will build AI deployment pipeline, model monitoring, dashboard, auto scaling system, cost optimization system. So here is the truth. There is no single AI career anymore. There are builders, there are designers, there are strategists, there are operators and guardians. The question is not, can I get into AI? The question is, which AI job family will you master? So pick one, go deep for 6 to 9 months, build real AI systems, publish your work, position yourself as a specialist. The real secret of getting AI jobs in 2026 are not about who knows the most AI. They are about who can solve real problems with AI.